Weber understood in 1939 that the body is a system of systems, that the thyroid is in relationship with everything around it, that when the thyroid is struggling, your first question shouldn't be, what's wrong with the thyroid? It should be, what is burdening the thyroid? What upstream stress is creating this downstream response? Because the thyroid, in most of the cases I see, is not the problem. The thyroid is the victim. It is the canary in the coal mine. It is a system that shows you clearly and consistently that something else is wrong. And when you treat the canary instead of the coal mine, the canary keeps suffering, and so does the person attached to it. That's what we've been doing for decades, medicating the signal while ignoring the source.